All right, so in order to get a GV camera to work with the IP1s, you can see right now I have it connected to the back of the NVR. If I wave my hand, you can see my hand. So if you're gonna have the camera connected to the back of the NVR, the first step you have to do is connect the camera to the back of the NVR. If you're gonna have the camera on a separate PoE switch, connect that camera to a PoE switch. Don't worry about the IP1s at this point. First, we need to make a settings change. So once you have that done there, you're going to log in. If you have the camera connected to the back of the NVR, you're going to log into the IP address of the NVR, access the camera that way. If you have the camera connected to a PoE switch, you're going to access the camera through the IP address that's pulling up on the PoE switch. You can see here's the camera connected to the back of the NVR. I'm going to click access. I'm going to sign into the camera. You want to go into setup, network, and here you're going to change it from auto negotiation to 100M full duplex. Hit save. Okay. All right, once that saves, now you want to plug in your IP1s. So I have coming from the NVR or PoE switch, going into the IP1 to a coax cable to IP1. Got this run going to the camera, and you do need to have separate power supply for the camera. Once that's done, you can see there's the camera, works just fine.